there and welcome to my YouTube channel inkitdesigns. Let us create this cool animation. Let's get started. First, we will make a frame of 240 and 80 pixels. Let's rename it to buttons. Now make another frame inside this frame and fill that with a color. Round the corners of both frames to 10. Now let's put all of these inside. Make the check mark in the center and center align the card icon and the text. Oopsie, let me adjust it to 40 pixels. Yes, right. Let's adjust this to the center. Now let's duplicate this button first. Let's place this check mark upwards. Make sure to click the clip content. Clip content keeps the icon inside the frame but not visible. Let's make the inside frame smaller by clicking on it and Ctrl Alt or just by dragging the sides. Let's make it to 63 by 60 pixels. There you go. Now let's make these two move out of the frame. To activate this offline mode, just press Shift and O. Make sure you have clipped content checked on. Now select both of them and create component set. Now let's prototype it. Adjust the prototyping settings as I did here. let's see it in action. If you like this video, just don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.